Emergency alerts, also known as wireless emergency alerts, WEA, are crucial for public safety. They deliver time-sensitive warnings about imminent threats like severe weather, Amber Alerts, and presidential alerts directly to your phone. These alerts bypass regular internet and app notifications, using the cellular network to ensure you receive critical information, even during emergencies when internet access might be limited. T Mobile, like other carriers, is part of the U.S. Federal Integrated Public Alert and Warning System. Several factors can prevent you from receiving emergency alerts on your T Mobile device. One common issue is disabled alert settings in your phone's notification settings under Emergency Alerts. Outdated device software or T Mobile apps can also cause failures. Compatibility issues affect older phones made before 2012. Temporary network outages or congestion occur, especially during high-traffic events or in rural areas. Conflicts with certain third-party apps that might block notifications are another factor. Identifying the root cause is the first step to fixing the problem. Section 3 covers quick fixes for initial troubleshooting steps. First, restart your phone. This often resolves temporary software glitches. Next, verify that emergency alerts are enabled in your phone's notification settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, Notifications, then Emergency Alerts. On Android, the location may vary by manufacturer. Also, check for and install any available carrier updates or system updates for your phone. Finally, try resetting your network settings, although you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi after this. These quick fixes can often resolve common emergency alert issues. For T-Mobile specific solutions, start by ensuring the T-Mobile app is up to date. Open the app and navigate to its settings. Look for an emergency alerts section and confirm that the relevant alert types are toggled on. Some older versions of the T-Mobile app have been known to interfere with alert delivery, so updating is crucial. Additionally, look for an emergency alert override or similar setting within the T-Mobile app and ensure it is enabled. Some third-party apps, such as battery savers or task managers, can block emergency alerts by managing your phone's resources too aggressively. To identify these conflicts, start by temporarily disabling recently installed apps one at a time and test if alerts begin working. Common culprits include apps that restrict notifications or battery usage. If you find a conflicting app, try adjusting its settings to allow emergency alerts to bypass restrictions, or uninstall it completely. T-Mobile has been actively working to improve the reliability of its emergency alert system. They've addressed software bugs and made infrastructure improvements to reduce outages. Staying informed about T-Mobile's announcements and updates regarding WEA is essential. The company has also shifted to proactive diagnostics, offering in-app tools to verify alert settings. These efforts have led to a significant improvement in alert delivery rates. Looking ahead, T-Mobile plans to further enhance its emergency alert system with 6G network integration for ultra-low latency alerts. This means alerts will reach users almost instantly, even in challenging conditions. T-Mobile is also exploring support for multimedia alerts, such as video clips, to provide more comprehensive information during severe events. This could include visual guides for evacuation routes or real-time footage from affected areas. AI-driven anomaly detection will play a bigger role in predicting and preventing outages. By analyzing network data in real time, T-Mobile can identify potential issues before they impact alert delivery. Personalized alerts based on user location and preferences are also on the horizon. Users might receive tailored information specific to their area, such as localized weather warnings or community safety tips. Finally, the FCC is pushing for standardized cross-carrier interoperability, which will reduce fragmentation in alert delivery across all networks, ensuring consistent reliability nationwide. Keep an eye out for periodic test alerts sent by T-Mobile or local authorities. These tests are designed to verify the functionality of the WEA system. Receiving a test alert confirms that your device is properly configured and connected to the network. If you do not receive test alerts, repeat the troubleshooting steps outlined in this video. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile customer support for further assistance.